What's going on with y'all? Raw Ain't TV back again, another video. Today's video, I want to talk about how you can make money on YouTube, and what is it like being a small YouTuber. So yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. So first, let's talk about the only way to make money on YouTube is basically you need to meet the requirements to even get paid on YouTube. I'm pretty sure y'all familiar, but if you're not familiar, if you guys are new to wondering how YouTube works, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So for me, as my channel, I started this channel in 2020. So I was basically just doing it out of just for fun. I kind of was just doing it just out of like, just posting videos, just like kind of like a hobby. The hobby actually turned to more of a business because as I was putting content in, I was kind of trying to get that mark where I can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So I appreciate all the viewers that watch this channel because you guys definitely helped me achieve that. But yeah, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. It's really it really depends on the length of your videos, and like the people that are watching it. You got to make sure they're really watching your videos. So if you guys are watching this video, watch to the end, because it's important if you guys are supporting small channels to actually watch the content instead of just going out of it, watching some of it. So the watch time is very the key. Once you have the requirements, you can then submit to the YouTube partnership, and you just play the waiting game. And when you have the requirements, I think you have to have your address. So you got to make sure that you got an address, and you fill out like a W-2 form. And then what they do is they're gonna send you a piece of paper to put your like a PIN number or something, just to verify that you are who you are. You know what I'm saying? So that they know who you is. If you got to be a real human. So they want to make sure who you're authentic. Then after that, you'll get approved. You'll say congratulations, your channel's now in a YouTube partner. So after that, how it works is advertisements around the world place ads on your YouTube videos, and then YouTube pays you a percentage within the RPM or CPM of your content. So if you guys are talking about certain channels, it all fluctuate on whatever you're talking about on YouTube. So they got beauty channels, they got vlog channels, they got entrepreneur, how to make money channels. That's kind of what I talk about. There's different ways, and according to the category, it fluctuate about the pay. You definitely got to have a lot of people watching your videos, like views, so like 1,000 views to really see some money. So you kind of gotta have pretty much you gotta kind of be consistent on YouTube, right? Because you gotta use consistent enough to actually make the requirements, but you gotta stay consistent. You know what I'm saying? That's the key, is keep posting videos consistently. And then that's one of the ways is the advertisement. That's one of the main ways of how to get it, get paid. Another way is to get sponsored brand deals. People will reach out and offer you a sponsorship deal to basically put for a slot of your videos. You'll see certain videos on YouTube where it says a sponsor promotion at the top. It'll say at the top those are paid sponsored videos. Majority it can range on how much the YouTuber charge by how many views get on per video, or the subscriber count, depending on whatever their contract agreement. You will basically send in, they'll email you first. Hopefully you guys got your emails on your YouTube, because you got to make sure you do that so people can reach out for that. And then you sign a contract, and then after that, boom, you all set. You get the contract, you do the video, and you get paid. So that's like two ways right there. Another way is affiliate marketing. That's when, for example, you might see links of Amazon in the description, because I'm using the camera that I'm recording off this video. And you can make affiliate like a small commission per sale if somebody buy it off the links. If somebody buys it, you can make a small commission off whoever you choose to use the affiliate marketing with, whoever you decide to use. So that's another way to make YouTube things. You can make another way is basically like, you know, collaborations. You can, you know, charge to collab with other content creators, and you guys can make content together, and it's another way to charge. It's definitely a multiple ways to charge, you know, as far as a YouTuber. It's all pros basically. So yeah, I just want to make a video like this just to show, like, you know, as a small channel you still can make some pretty decent amount of money as a small business owner or a small YouTuber. And yeah, and I just want to say, you know, all I ask in return, if you guys like this video, y'all know, like, subscribe, you know what I mean, drop a comment if you're a YouTuber yourself. And yeah, Rolling TV, man, I'm gone, back again.